Okay, you wanna go Steve with
So
Jared?
you saw them.
Should we take a picture of you?
Oh no, we planned for the day.
go there.
Just waiting
Go
for us.
over there so we can take a picture.
That's on Thursday.
All children are supposed to be there.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jared Lorna. Happy birthday to you. Oh, one more friend. Oh my God. Ready for my stomach? Huh? You don't have power left? No. Jared has a girlfriend. Smile, come here. Look here.
has one girlfriend.
Costa, look here. Smile. The three of you. Come on, smile.
You're missing
Okay. Cut the cake.
The plastic knife.
Yes, there was a plastic. Four. Cut it with the plastic.
Just take a spoon and eat it. No!
You told us to?
Okay. Why am I cutting the cake?
You're the expert.
Can I cut it?
Jenny.
No, okay, do it.
No.
Joshy, I need to stand up, Josh.
Aw. Can I sit down? Can I have the pink piece?
I got some food in my car. It's hard coming. It's so hard to send.
Really cool. There. Dots. That's dots. Yeah. It has green dots. There's green stuff. There's all green stuff all over the place.
Is it?
I want
You want
like
the green stuff?
I think the chocolate.
I
stuff.
see.
The chocolate's really hard inside.
The chocolate. Oh,
No, you only get the vanilla.
That's what
Now, how
Jared
do you
likes.
say
You can have all the vanilla.
There's only one jar of vanilla, see?
My dad watching
Give
Billy
to Lorna and
Bob
Jared
on
first because they're the birthday
Oh,
people.
it's okay. The kids can have them first.
Sushi, What is sushi?
So that means I can have one.
You had touched
Yeah, because you didn't drink your sweet and sour, hot and sour soup. We are partners in crime in that.
That's my tummy was in there.
Pagka pwede ba ito siya, may sour. Lamig dito yung sabaw doon.
No, most food I didn't. I just don't feel like it.
At least you ate something.
It's too oily yet. I
Or you
eat
should
some and
eat
it's just too
one
oily.
thing only,
I need to know.
dry toast, no butter.
No, there's some bread here. I'll eat bread. Because it's too oily. That's why at the middle of the eating I drank Sprite.
Wow.
Ow.
Okay, you bend it.
Okay, pass it around.
What happened, Jared?
Yay. Now for me.
It's back again, the music.
Maybe ice cream be good for it.
It's gonna haunt us tonight.
Can you turn it up? Turn it up.
Turn it up.
Turn it
No,
up.
okay, I don't think so.
It's grabbing me nuts. Tonight when you sleep, Monica, I'll go to your bedroom. And what is that, Monica? Is it a small world? The song?
It sounds like it, right?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
That's my favorite ride in Disneyland.
But why is that Snoopy though? Why is it
Go to the small
Snoopy?
world.
Yeah, Snoopy
No,
is,
Snoopy, yeah, how many
That's
Snoopy?
very fun.
very,
No, it's okay, but we didn't go there to the small world.
Small
You go,
World is my
Costa?
favorite ride.
I didn't ride. No, no.
That's so boring.
My children
All
won't
you
go
do
with
is
me.
sit and
Oh, I
watch
cannot
people
eat.
sing at the small world.
Ah.
They're all different.
Cute! I know, but it's so cute. You see all the people and you see the Philippines as just $1 for Philippines. Ah! See what
No,
happens.
you can't.
I can't eat it.
Masa,
Oh,
How did you do that?
Wow.
Kaya ko nagkamay mo.
Breaking the
that's a
word.
joke.
How did you do
Mine
that?
also small.
Timmy,
Ay, yeah. What the heck is that, right? Scared the crap out of me.
You can't have another fork.
you can.
Then Jenny just like the chocolate.
Thank you. Happy
They
birthday.
should make it just this one, not
No, you can order.
Now both
Ayaw
sides.
mo mag-order kasi.
You
don't have this. Muy niya, nag-order man siya puro sa sugar.
Yeah.
This is still hard.
Yeah. You have to order it 24 hours in advance.
If it's all chocolate.
Yeah, because it's a blizzard cake. The chocolate blizzard.
There's blizzard there today.
That's okay, we'll get it one day.
So next week is Paul's birthday.
No, we're not doing next week.
Oh, when are you doing it?
When we come back.
Oh.
Because Angel's in Denver. And I have to help at the store. So I won't be able to.
But you can go there for a private.
Yeah, you can go there for private swim.
Yeah, and then you cook AJ.
You can watch the kids while I'm at the store.
Yeah.